वेलकम टू प्रिंस शॉर्टेड हाउस। स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने कल डिक्टेट किया था 80 वर्ड्स ए मिनट, जिसमें मैंने कहा था कि इसकी पीडीएफ हम कल देंगे। यानी कि हमने 8 अक्टूबर को डिक्टेट किया था। आज की इस वाली डिक्टेशन जो अभी हम दे रहे हैं आपको, इसमें पीडीएफ मिल जाएगी। कल वाले की ये हमारा ट्रायल पैसेज था। मैंने कहा था ट्रायल पैसेज हम 1 या 2 दिन में आपको देंगे, देखते हुए कि अभी पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट का स्किल टेस्ट नज़दीक है। एसएससी के टेस्ट अक्टूबर के लास्ट में, रेलवेज ने डिक्लेयर किया है कि स्किल टेस्ट वो अक्टूबर के लास्ट में ले रहा है। और आज RSMSSB यानी कि राजस्थान के स्किल टेस्ट हैं, जो वो भी अक्टूबर के लास्ट में स्किल टेस्ट ले रहे हैं। और अदर जो कोई भी स्किल टेस्ट होने वाला है, वे स्टूडेंट जो ईमानदारी से मेरी इस डिक्टेशन को लिखकर, और मैंने कहा कि कल वाली की आज मैं पीडीएफ दे रहा हूं और आज वाली ट्रायल पैसेज की मैं पीडीएफ कल दूंगा, तो ईमानदारी से लिख के रीडिंग के बाद ट्रांसक्राइब करके प्रिंट आउट चेक करके आप रखेंगे और मिलाएंगे कि आपकी गलती कितनी है, और फिर ईमानदारी से अपनी प्रैक्टिस बढ़ाएंगे ताकि आप किसी भी स्किल टेस्ट में अच्छी अचीवमेंट ले सके और सोच सके कि मेरा सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा। तो आज का ट्रायल पैसेज मैं दे रहा हूं, जिसकी पीडीएफ मैं कल दूंगा। तो 80 वर्ड्स ए मिनट ओनली। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। मिस्टर चेयरमैन सर, let me first congratulate the honorable minister for introducing this bill, because only by the enactment of such bills democracy and freedom that were in chains during the last few years can be restored. What is the purpose of this bill? In fact, it is not giving us any new right nor any privileges which were not there before. It reminds me of the year 1978 when the 44th Constitution (bracket Amendment) Act was passed. What was the purpose of that act? The 42nd Constitution Amendment Act, which was passed in the year 1976, took away some basic rights, some basic privileges from the parliament, from the people. The 44th Constitution Amendment Act just gave those rights, those privileges to the parliament and to the people. This particular bill that we are discussing now is of that nature. Sir, in the original Commissions of Inquiry Act 1952, there was no such provision that the government will have to submit the report of the inquiry commissions set up before the parliament or before the legislative assembly. Then what was the purpose of setting up such inquiry commissions? After all, the inquiry committees are set up to have inquiry into some matters of great serious public importance. Steps are to be taken against the guilty persons. But who are the guilty persons? That must be made known. Therefore, inquiry commissions are set up. In the year 1971, a bill came up before Parliament. It was the conscious attempt on the part of the then government to make it obligatory for them to publish the reports of the inquiry commissions before the House. That was the intention of the 1971 bill. But in the 1986 amendment, that obligation was removed. What were the reasons? Mrs. Indira Gandhi was brutally assassinated. It was said that foreign hands were involved in her assassination. It was said that certain negligence was there on the part of the top officials who were in charge of security. Was it not a matter of great public importance to know the circumstances leading to the murder of Mrs. Indira Gandhi? Yes, and therefore the Tucker Commission was set up. But in 1986, we found that the then government amended the Commissions of Inquiry Act 1952 and it refused to publish the report of the Tucker Commissions before the House. It was not that the government was reluctant to publish any report of any inquiry commission. It was not that Shri Chidambaram told that there was a delicate balance between the disclosure and confidentiality. But we find that the balance always tilted in favor of the ruling party. Whenever they thought that some reports of some inquiry commissions, according to them, may go against the opposition, they will disclose the report, and whenever they found that some reports of some commissions like this Tucker Commission will be unpalatable to the ruling party, to the government, maybe not the entire government, but to some individuals, to some cable belonging to the government who are emotionally, politically close to the government, they chose not to publish the report of the commission. This was the last of the balance. The head, the ruling party, will win, and the tail, the opposition, will lose. Is the inquiry commission a plaything? Why do you set up inquiry commission if you do not want to publish its report? Better not to set up such commissions. Let us not hoodwink the people. The 1986 amendment went against a basic fundamental right to our land also. In part 3rd of our constitution, as per article 19 subarticle 1, there is a right called freedom of speech and expression for the Indian citizens. I know that there are several grounds on which reasonable restrictions can be imposed on freedom of speech and expression. But what are the grounds? They are sovereignty and integrity of the nation, relations with friendly states and neighborly states, public morality, decency. These grounds were there, but the ground of public interest is not there. In the 1986 amendment, they said that if the appropriate government is satisfied that in the interest of the sovereignty and integrity of India, etc., or in the public interest, it is not expedient to lay before the House of the people or to the Legislative Assembly a report or any part thereof that will not be published. Stop. Students, ये 750 वर्ड्स ओनली, और आप इसे लिखिए और ये ध्यान रखिए कि आप चेक करते वक्त कॉमा, फुल स्टॉप, क्वेश्चन मार्क एटसेट्रा बिल्कुल एक्यूरेट चेक करेंगे। और डिक्टेशन में ध्यान देना चाहिए कि कॉमे पे पॉज होता है, फुल स्टॉप पे पॉज होता है, हल्का सा रुकते हैं। और आपको अपनी एक्यूरेसी के लिए, सिलेक्शन के लिए पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स को जरूर आप शॉर्ट हैंड में लिखिए, लगाइए कॉमा, फुल स्टॉप एटसेट्रा। और वो गलती आपको जितनी जल्दी आप सुधारेंगे, आपको जल्दी ही स्पीड पे ले जाएंगे। दूसरा, छोटे मिस्टेक्स पे ध्यान दीजिए, एस सर्कल, एस बड़ा सर्कल, और छोटी मिस्टेक्स को कवर कीजिए। आपकी 80 वर्ड्स पर मिनट कोई मुश्किल स्पीड नहीं है। थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस और जो एक्यूरेट चीज़ें जो गलती होती है उनमें सुधार करने से जल्दी ठीक हो जाएगी, 80 की स्पीड अच्छी हो जाएगी। स्टॉप।